Today we will talk about Docker images and containers. As we saw in the first video of this series, Docker is a popular technology that allows us to easily share and run applications on our computer. Docker relies on two main concepts: images and containers. Docker images contain everything necessary to deploy an application, such as code, libraries, and configuration files. Containers are running instances of images, meaning that they are completely isolated environments and can have their own processes, services, or network interfaces. This means that when an image is executed to run an application, we are actually creating a new instance of that image, called the container. To make things easier to understand, we can think of a Docker image as a fixed or static template, like a stencil. Every time we spray the stencil, we get a new drawing. Similarly, every time we run an image, we get a new container. While the stencil, like a Docker image, is unchangeable, the drawing, like a Docker container, can be modified to the user's needs. So, where can we find Docker images? Docker Hub is a service provided by Docker for finding and sharing container images. Here you can find public images for many applications, from operating systems to bioinformatic tools, for example. Docker images developed and or tested by the GenomePT-iMM team can be found at the GenomePT-iMM Docker Hub organization. You can find the link for this organization in the video's description. And that's all for today. Thank you and stay tuned for part 3 of the GenomePT-iMM Docker series.